Hello makeup lover and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've already been here before. If not, my name is Malene and I'm a Danish makeup artist living in Barcelona in Spain. For today's two different looks, one palette I pulled out this guy here. I'm just gonna go in a little closer so you can see what it is. It's actually one of the two palettes from the Luminous Legends collection, and the one I got is the Starfall Seduction. Some would say, of course, because it's the most colorful, but I could have gone for the other one, but yeah, I couldn't help myself. I had to start with this. So if you want to see how I did these two different looks, keep watching and I will show you. If you feel like this packaging looks a little bit familiar, you're actually very right, because it does look super familiar. It looks very familiar to the 2019 holiday collection with the quad iconic illumination. I'm gonna put that up here somewhere so you can see it. But the formula is so different because those quads that was in the holiday collection then, they were all Blitz Astrals. And this collection is not, but it has the beautiful quint formula that some of us has come to love. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or you want to tell me if you got some of the palettes from the holiday collection or you're thinking about it, then let me know in the comment box. And of course, if you like videos like this, subscribe to my channel. It will be awesome to have you join. Now, let's go ahead and do some makeup, shall we? Let's try a little bit of Pink Moonstone as a highlighter. And I'm using my Sonia G. What is it called now? Not that I use it all the time. Builder Pro. I just had the Workup Pro in my hand, so I was about to mix it up with that. Oh, wow. Let's go in for a little bit of Infinite Infatuation. And oh, wow. Yeah, I was just about to say, bear in mind, I'm just looking down. I'm going to brush off my brush a little bit because this is the first time I'm using this palette and these colors. So I really don't know how pigmented they are. And boy, are you in for a surprise. I did not go in hard. I just dipped the tip of my brush, the Blender Pro here, into the color. And yeah, as you can see here, it gives out a lot of color. It's a little bit, to me, it's a little bit more pink than red, or maybe a little bit like raspberry red, maybe this one, but lovely. And it's a lovely, I think this actually is matte. It looks like that when I look in the mirror here. I haven't planned out a look yet, so I'm just going back and forth and thinking, what am I gonna go next? Eternal Ecstasy. If that didn't sound good, I don't know what sounds good. Okay. This is a purple color, and this is the one that has like some specks of glitter, but very discreetly. I'm just putting it here in my crease, and I'm using the mini booster from Sonia G. I really have to say that these colors are really pigmented. I really think that so far the formula seems to be the best one yet of the quads that I have tried, or well, at least from, if you compare them to last year's holidays quints. Sorry, I said quads, I meant quints. They were not up to par for me as the previous print. Now I say print, which has been making, I feel, I don't know what happened, but they were just not the same, and they didn't last on my eyes, unfortunately. Bordeaux Bliss, though, was the best one for me out of those from last year. That was pretty good. I put on a little bit of the Intensifies from my Artistry wand on the mobile eyelid, because now I'm really gonna go in there. I dipped my Builder Pro into the Neptune Noir And maybe this is a little bold of me because I actually didn't even, oh wow. Oh my God, I love this. Sorry, I didn't even swatch palette before I'm using it now. Holy moly, this is so pretty. Mother, I love you. Oh wow. Oh wow. Can we get some of that in the mothership? 12, please? And some greens? Please? Pink moonstone? Yeah, I'm just checking. Yeah, it was pink moonstone. On my Builder Pro, and I'm gonna put that here. And I'm just tapping it on because I don't want it to be all over my face. Oh wow. She really did it. She really, yeah. This palette is just so beautiful. I don't know what else to say. I'm almost lost for word. Almost. And just to say, or be able to say, I dipped into all the colors that I dipped my flat definer brush into a violet supernova. And this has some glitter. So let's see what's going on with this. I did not put any primer or anything under my eye here. And actually on my eyes today, I have only put on some foundation, a little bit of foundation. And then, of course, on the mobile eyelid, as I just told you before, I had put on a little bit of the intensifies. Wow, this is so pretty. And the specks of glitter here, they are kind of, look like they're blue and green and purple. And yeah, I have a party on my eye. I just want to put a little bit more of the red color, let me see here, Infinite Infatuation up here, because I felt like maybe I just got it blended out a little too much. Like so. I think I'm happy with this. And a black eyeliner. Oh, I wish I had a purple mascara for this. To be honest, that would have been so awesome. Just to put it on the tip of the lashes, that would be so beautiful. But right now I'm just working on my liner, like so. And this is the first look with a little bit of mascara on. I want to go ahead and put on some false lashes and get right back to you. And this is the first eye look with some false lashes on. I'm now going to go on to the next eye. For the second eye look, I'm kind of going to start out like I did with the first one, and I'm going to give it a highlighter here with a pink moonstone. And I'm using my Builder Pro S, or Builder S, maybe it's called that. Eternal Ecstasy on my Blender Pro, and I'm just lightly putting it on here and using that as some kind of transition shade. Oh, it's still heavy. I just dipped into the color just very lightly. But yeah. Stunning colors. I don't know about you, but I'm sure you will let me know in the comments if you got this or if you're thinking about getting it. Maybe it looks a little scary because it's kind of colorful when you compare it to the other one that's pretty neutral and very safe. But let me know in the comments. And just to do things a little bit different, I'm gonna use the same color with my Builder S under my eyes here. I'm still thinking about what to do with the look. I'm not completely sure yet. So I'm just gonna use this to frame my eye with this color. I really love these kind of colors. They're so pretty for green eyes and brown eyes, and even though some people think that they're not so good with blue eyes, they really are. I think they're so stunning. Let's see what happens when you put the Neptune Noir into the crease here with the, what's this called again? Soft definer. Oh man. Things I have no need for remembering, I remember. But what my brushes are called? Nope, I don't remember. And I use them often, so it's like, it's no excuse. And it's not that it doesn't interest me. It does. Makeup, brushes. But yeah, I just don't remember. Mini booster brush to blend out the edges. I do not have any color on the brush. I'm just using it to diffuse the edges a little bit and tone it out, blend it out here in the other color. Just want to diffuse it here. Okay, we can do this. We can do this. Violet Supernova on my Builder Pro. And I'm gonna put that here on the inner part of my mobile eyelid. And I'm just tapping it on, and I'm putting it on the outer part here. I'm gonna dip into it once more. And I'm just tapping it on ever so slightly, lightly. I want to do some kind of halo eye here. If you didn't already figure it out, you probably did. A little bit of the pink moonstone on my ring finger, and I'm just going to tap it on. I'm going to put on a little bit more. I'm just tapping it on my eyelid to make it pop. And let's give this look an inner corner with the pink moonstone. Oh, what did I get here? Speck of purple, perhaps? Or Neptune Noir, maybe. You never know. And here you see the second eye look with a little bit of mascara on. I skipped the liquid liner, but I did put on some black eyeliner on my upper waterline to make my eyelashes seem a little bit more fuller. I'm gonna put on some false lashes. And here you have it, the second eye look with a false lash on. I'm going to zoom you out so you can see what these two different looks look like with a full face of makeup. And this is it. These are the two different looks, or the two different first looks with the new palette, the Starfall Seduction from Pat McGrath Labs Luminous Legend collection. I'm now going to put on my glasses so you can see what it looks like with some glasses on. And I have to say that I was a little bit surprised because wow, these colors, my God, they're concentrated. But of course, it is the Italian formula show, so you could have expected that. But yeah, amazing, awesome, or just words that comes to mind when I think about this palette. I really, really love it. When I looked at my finished looks, I felt like, maybe I like it so much because it reminds me a little bit of my, or one of my favorite six pans palettes, the one from Star Wars, the red one. I don't remember what it's called. Because some of the colors are kind of similar. It's not the same colors for sure, but they're similar. And I really love to combine these kind of colors in a look to make it really interesting and colorful. So Please tell me, did you get any of the palettes from the Luminous Legends collection? If so, what palette did you get, or which palettes did you get? For now, I just got this one, and then I got a duo with a green color, of course, because I love green. And I think I'm gonna have to get the mega palette also, but I'm gonna wait until it gets on sale. And if it doesn't, I'm not gonna be super sad about that, because I feel like most of the colors are some colors I have in my collection anyway. But of course, this is Italian formula. This is quint formula. So it's quite different from the other mega palettes that we have seen. But let's see what happens. But for now, I got these two, and I would love to hear if you got some also, or if you're thinking about getting some. So please tell me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or good ideas for future content, then please put it in the comment box. And of course, if you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Before I go, of course, I'm gonna remember to tell you what I'm wearing on my face. I forgot all about it. I was so busy trying to film this, get it out, because I just got the palette. So on my face, I am wearing the foundation from House Labs, and the color, I think it's 160. It's a light color. It's my winter color. So I mixed it with the Pat McGrath Labs foundation, the color 20. On my face, I am also wearing the new Honey Bronzer from Pat McGrath Labs, and I am wearing Nude Venus 2 as a blush. And on my lips, I am wearing the gloss. I'm just looking down to find it. The Nude Venus gloss that's actually also in the collection. I didn't get it from the collection because I had it already, so I pulled it out to use it for this look. So it's a Luminous Legends look. But I want to thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you will have an amazing day. Thank you so much. Bye.